Today, I'll show you a quick and easy way to sew elastic sleeves that look neat and professional. Grab your elastic. Make sure it's slightly shorter than the width of your sleeve. This will help it gather nicely and sit snugly on the arm. Place one end of the elastic at the side seam of the sleeve and sew it down securely. Do the same with the other end of the elastic on the opposite side. Next comes the fun part. Fold the hemmed edge of the sleeve inward, covering the elastic. Carefully stitch all the way around, making sure not to sew through the elastic itself. Keep your seam even and guide the fabric gently so it stays smooth. As you sew, you'll notice the sleeve starting to gather and form that perfect elastic finish. Once you're done, give it a little stretch to make sure the elastic moves freely inside the casing. And that's it. You've created a neat, professional elastic sleeve that's both comfortable and stylish.